Okay. So see, one second, let me check. Okay, so let's try to finish this. Sif number 20. Sif number 20. Okay. So we'll finish today. Okay. On Shabbos, when making a knot is prohibited, one cannot fulfill the Torah commandment to affix tzitzis to four-corner garment. Okay, so on Shabbos, one of the Torah nice melachas, we didn't get to it, of course, but one of them that you cannot make knots. In addition, so basically you cannot affix tzitzis on Shabbos, or even tie this extra knot. In addition to the Torah requirements to affix tzitzis to four-corner garment, there is a big prohibition against wearing such a garment, even when one cannot affix the tzitzis. Okay, so Rabbi say if you have such a garment that requires tzitzis, you cannot, and it's the tzitzis is not there, like from one side or ripped, or so you cannot wear it. However, there is a specific situation where rabbinic law is waived. Okay, see Mishnah Berurah. One such a situation described in this year. So there is one exception. Okay, what is it? If one comes to a synagogue, if one comes on Shabbos to synagogue, and he discovers that one of the tzitzis of his talis has become invalid, and he cannot find the other talis to borrow, and he's embarrassed to stay in a synagogue at that time and pray without talis, while everyone else is wearing one, then the halacha is as follows. So basically, out of embarrassment, right? Commentary: the dispensation applies only to Shabbos. On weekdays, it is forbidden to don talis under similar circumstances. Basically, on a weekday, he can fix it. On Shabbos, he cannot fix it, but we don't want to embarrass him also. So that's the leniency. 1 second, where is it? One more. So halacha is as follows. Since today it is not possible for him to tie another tzitzis into talis due to the Shabbos prohibition tying a knot, so I mean he has no choice. Therefore, because of the great importance of human dignity, he is permitted to wear talis even in an invalid state, since the rabbinic violation is permitted in certain circumstances to preserve human dignity. So basically, okay, so let's read the commentary and we're going to explain. This rule has a very specific regulations and not to be construed as allowing violation of rabbinical commandments in every situation that may violate human dignity. If one is wearing this talis in a public domain, for example, in a street, and notices that one of the strings talis is invalid, he is required to remove the talis immediately. So that's the problem. So he's in a public domain, so he gives, so basically he has to leave it somewhere, right? That's what it says. But in a shul, we allow him to pray. So the way I understand, so if he is find out there is a problem like with the talis in the shul, just leave it in the shul. Don't touch it. However, he should not recite the blessing on it, since it is not fulfill any mitzvah but wearing the garment. So if he sees that there is a problem with one of the tzitzis, so okay, don't recite the blessing. In the shul, you can wear it. So it's like out of human dignity is very important. So and we're going to learn in a class of Shabbos laws that in many cases our rabbis gave us like some discount, like some leniency, but only so we can. But as we said in the commentary, we can only apply this leniency when they said so. They give us halacha and they say in this and such circumstances you can go by this leniency. When does this halacha apply? When he did not know before Shabbos that his talis has become invalid. But if he knew before Shabbos that it has become invalid, he is prohibited from wearing it on Shabbos, even in a synagogue, and we do not extend to him the above permit. Okay, so if he knew before Shabbos, he had to fix it. For he should have fixed it day before Shabbos. Commentary. According to Mishnah Berurah, if they accidentally forgot to fix it on Friday, he may be lenient to wear on Shabbos. So okay, so Mishnah Berurah give us some leniency. So if I forgot, he was busy, he was sick, he was this, he was that, so he can still wear it only in synagogue, as we said, but not going home.